These helicopters let you fly legally, and you don't need a pilot's license. Thanks to FAA Part 103, ultralight helicopters are open to anyone who dares. Single seat, simple rules, and the sky is yours. And here's where it gets wild. Back in 1982, the FAA quietly flipped aviation on its head with Part 103. No pilot certificate, no medical exam, no aircraft registration. That's right. You could legally take off in certain ultralights without a single piece of formal training. The catch? These machines are strictly recreational. No passengers, no commercial use, just you and the sky. And there are rules, strict ones. The aircraft must weigh under 254 pounds empty, hold no more than 5 gallons of fuel, and top out around 55 knots, roughly 63 miles per hour. But here's the clever twist most people miss. There's a 60-pound allowance for safety gear. Think ballistic parachutes or floats. That loophole is a game changer. Suddenly, machines that would normally break the weight limit are legal. And this foundation? It's exactly why helicopters like the Mosquito XE and others can exist without ever needing a pilot's license. Just when you thought license-free flight was limited to tiny ultralight planes, here's where it gets vertical. Wait, you're watching right now, but not subscribed to the channel. Go ahead and smash that subscribe button so we can move on with the video. You did? Okay, cool. Now back to the video. Mosquito Series XE. The Mosquito XE is where ultralight helicopters start feeling like the real deal. Developed by Composite FX, it's compact, sleek, and fully enclosed. No more hanging in the wind like some backyard experiment. The frame mixes composites with metal tubing, keeping it light but strong. Now it weighs 312 pounds. Sounds heavy, right? But thanks to that 60-pound safety device allowance, it slides perfectly under Part 103 rules. You're talking about a true vertical takeoff helicopter. You can legally fly without a license. Power comes from an MZ 2002 engine, cruising comfortably at around 62 miles per hour, with a 5-gallon tank giving roughly 45 minutes of airtime. And the options? Take it as a kit for about $54,000. Or grab a factory-finished model for closer to $69,000. Either way, you get a real helicopter experience, compact, nimble, and surprisingly refined. The Mosquito XEL shares the same DNA, with minor differences in finish or kit factory configuration. But the core thrill remains. License-free vertical flight is no longer just a dream. It's your reality. But maybe a helicopter that folds into a trailer is still too fancy. Let's talk about something ultra-accessible. Rotor X A600 Talon. The Rotor X A600 Talon is a different kind of ultralight. Stripped down, single seat, and built for simplicity. It's compact and lightweight, the kind of machine that makes you feel like you're part of the rotor, not just riding in a cockpit. It ticks all the Part 103 boxes, or uses that clever safety device allowance when needed. Engine options give a smooth cruise with decent endurance for short trips, keeping the experience pure and accessible. What makes it stand out is how approachable it is for DIY enthusiasts. You can buy it as a kit, assemble it in your own garage, and get airborne legally. No massive hangars, no licenses, just you, the rotor, and open air. For anyone looking to start in ultralight helicopters, the Talon proves it doesn't have to be intimidating. It's light, responsive, and fully controllable, giving beginners and seasoned flyers alike a chance to feel what vertical flight really is, without bureaucracy, expensive training, or endless red tape. And if you thought ultralights couldn't feel refined, Europe has something to prove. Dynali H3 EasyFlyer. The Dynali H3 EasyFlyer comes straight out of Europe, and it's polished. In the US, it fits under light sport aircraft rules, or as an ultralight in some variants. The cockpit is enclosed, and the design feels intentional, almost luxurious for a machine this size. Some models offer tandem or side-by-side seating, letting you share the ride, rare for ultralights. Performance is solid. The engine delivers reliable cruise speeds, endurance is practical for short to medium flights, and you can even add a parachute system for extra safety. What hits you first is the feeling of refinement. This isn't a backyard contraption. It's approachable for first-time pilots, yet responsive enough for experienced flyers who demand precision. The H3 EasyFlyer blends reliability with style. It's one of those machines that make you rethink what ultralight helicopters can do. The door opens, you lift off, and it's quiet, steady, and controlled. You get the thrill of vertical flight, legally and safely, with the kind of polish most ultralights don't even attempt. And now, if you think ultralights are all enclosed pods and sleek carbon fiber, think again. Safari helicopter. The Safari helicopter takes you straight to the roots of ultralight flying. This is about raw, open-air adventure. No glass, no cabin walls, just you, the rotor above, and the wind in your face. Controls are minimalistic, stripped down to the essentials, making it incredibly approachable for first-time pilots. It fits neatly under Part 103 rules, or uses the safety device allowance to stay legal while giving you a bit more margin for fuel or gear. Speeds are modest, endurance practical, perfect for short bursts of vertical freedom. What makes the Safari special is its adventurous appeal. Kit-built or ready to fly, it's affordable compared to most ultralight helicopters. You assemble it, climb in, and suddenly the sky feels intimate, immediate, and yours. Every takeoff is personal, every landing a small triumph. For anyone chasing the simplest, purest helicopter experience, the Safari hits that sweet spot between thrill and legality. But if you want history and proven reliability on your side, the Rotorway is calling. Rotorway Exec 162F. The Rotorway Exec 162F is a cornerstone of the US ultralight helicopter scene. Built domestically, it's been a favorite for decades, earning a reputation for robustness and dependability. Whether you choose a single-seat or two-seat variant, you're stepping into something with real heritage. Under the hood, engines range from Rotax options to other proven power plants, giving enough horsepower to cruise around 60 miles per hour. The construction feels solid. Metal frames, tried and tested components, making it a helicopter that inspires confidence even in new pilots. Beyond specs, the Exec 162F carries historical significance. Thousands of builders and flyers have relied on it for training, fun, and practical flying. It has a strong safety record, yet retains the ultralight feel that keeps the experience exciting. For anyone who wants reliability without losing the thrill of open-air rotorcraft, the Rotorway is a perfect middle ground. Modern enough to feel safe, classic enough to feel like you're flying a piece of helicopter history, and then there's a machine that looks like it came from a tech lab, but it's still legal to fly without a license. Helicycle. The helicycle is where modern tech meets ultralight freedom. Lightweight and single seat, it offers either a coaxial or traditional rotor setup, giving you handling that feels straight out of a full-sized helicopter. The cockpit is small but thoughtfully designed, putting every control exactly where your instincts want it. Power comes from a reliable engine, delivering a smooth cruise and enough endurance for 30 to 45 minutes of pure vertical flight. It's compact, nimble, and can be purchased as a kit, letting you assemble your own legal ultralight helicopter from scratch. What sets the helicycle apart is its modern, helicopter-like handling. Even beginners can experience controlled, precise flight without the intimidation factor of bigger machines. Every liftoff, hover, and gentle bank feels familiar to anyone who has dreamed of flying a real helicopter. It's proof that ultralights don't have to compromise on the experience. They can feel fully alive, fully controllable, and fully legal all at the same time. And now, let's dive into some legends of the ultralight helicopter world. Machines that turned heads and hearts alike. Mini 500. The Mini 500 is one of those names that instantly sparks recognition among ultralight fans. It's light, agile, and raw, an open cockpit machine that puts you right into the rotor wash. No walls, no insulation, just you and the air. Power comes from a Rotax 447 engine or similar, pushing it to a cruise speed around 60 miles per hour, with a short endurance of roughly an hour. It's not designed for long cross-country flights. It's about pure hands-on helicopter experience. Now, full transparency. The Mini 500 has had its share of safety controversies in history, but enthusiasts still love it for the DIY culture it embodies. Kit-built, you assemble it yourself, learn every inch of the machine, and lift off legally under Part 103 rules. Flying a Mini 500 isn't just about transportation. It's about connection, thrill, and a touch of rebellion. You're holding a piece of ultralight history, feeling every rotor beat, every gust, and every heartbeat of a true aviation classic. From American legends to sleek European craftsmanship, here's the Italian touch. Compress CH Sebum. The Compress CH7 hails from Italy, and it's a perfect example of ultralight helicopters meeting European design sensibilities. Some variants feature a sleek, enclosed cockpit, giving it a polished, almost sports car vibe. Other builds keep it minimal, emphasizing agility and the open-air thrill. Weight compliance is handled cleverly. By staying within Part 103 limits, or leveraging the safety device allowances, it remains fully legal for license-free flight. The engine delivers reliable power with practical cruise speeds, range, and endurance for everyday ultralight adventures. What makes the CH7 stand out is its balance between craftsmanship and accessibility. It's compact, approachable, and feels precise in the air. Builders or buyers can enjoy a machine that's elegant yet simple, a helicopter that's as much about pride in ownership as it is about taking off. Flying a Compress CH-7 isn't just a flight, it's a statement. European style, Italian precision, and legal ultralight freedom, all rolled into one rotorcraft. And finally, for anyone chasing the future of license-free flight, the GEN H3 is where tech takes the lead. GEN-H3. The GEN H3 is a glimpse into the next generation of ultralight helicopters. Designed with single-seat capacity and a compact frame, it comes in either an enclosed or open cockpit, letting pilots choose between comfort and the full open-air rush. What sets it apart is the technology under the hood. Fully electric or hybrid options give it vertical takeoff capability with surprisingly low noise and eco-friendly operation. Endurance is moderate, but every minute in the air feels futuristic. You're lifting off without a license, without gas fumes, and with minimal maintenance. This isn't just another kit, it's a statement about the future of personal flight. Every rotor, every battery, and every design decision screams efficiency, sustainability, and innovation. For pilots who've dreamed of license-free flight in a machine that looks like tomorrow, the GEN H3 delivers, blending practicality, legality, and a serious wow factor. From traditional rotors to cutting-edge electric tech, this helicopter shows that ultralights aren't stuck in the past. They're redefining freedom in the sky. So what ties all these ultralight helicopters together? Why are pilots and enthusiasts flocking to them? Across the board, these helicopters share one big thing: freedom without breaking the bank. Compared to traditional helicopters, they're shockingly affordable. Some can be built as DIY kits, giving you hands-on experience and entry into a global builder community that shares tips, stories, and tricks from thousands of fellow enthusiasts. Versatility is another standout. Many are amphibious or capable of landing on short strips, grass, sand, or even water. That's short takeoff, short landing, literally turning your backyard, lakefront, or tiny field into your personal runway. Then there's the thrill factor. These machines let you fly legally under FAA Part 103, no pilot's license required. That's vertical lift, compact handling, and open-air adventure for anyone willing to take the plunge. Some even honor history, like WWI fighter replicas, while others showcase European refinement or futuristic electric designs. At their core, these helicopters are about minimal bureaucracy and maximum freedom. You climb in, start the rotor, and lift off. No medical exams, no certificates, no long training programs. Just the machine, the sky, and the pure joy of flight. The kind most people only dream about. From Mosquito to GEN-H3, these helicopters prove you don't need decades of training or a pilot's license to soar. Affordably, safely, and legally, the sky is now open to anyone willing to build, buy, or simply take off in a single-seat marvel of aviation.